Welcome, dear students, to Standard 6th subject Mathematics, chapter number 14, Bank and Simple Interest. Myself, Miss Komal Narute. Students, look at this picture. In this picture, you can see a bank. So, a bank is a government recognized organization that carries out the transaction of money. It is a financial organization. Finance relates to money. We need to be prudent in spending the money we earn. We save money for use in the future. Our savings are meant to meet the expenses on education, building a house, medical treatment, on our occupation, such as for using improve the methods of agriculture, etc. Small savings are made regularly accumulate over a period to become a large amount and prove useful in the future. An amount kept in the bank remains safe and also grows over the years. Let's see the financial transactions. So here you can see a financial transaction is an agreement or the communication carried out between a buyer and a seller to exchange an asset for the payment. It involves a changes in the status of the finance of two or more businesses or individuals. Now we will learn about bank accounts. To use the banking services, one has to open an account in a bank. We need the following documents or papers to open a new bank account. First is proof of residence, that is ration card, electricity bill, telephone bills, domicile certificate, identity card, etc. Then proof of identity, that are Aadhaar card, voter's ID card, PAN card, passport or any other proof suggested by the bank besides a reference from the another customers who is an account holder. Now we will see some different types of accounts. The first one is saving account. So here a saving account is meant to induce a habit of saving money. An account holder can deposit money in the saving account as and when the money is available. He or she may also withdraw, means take out some money from the account occasionally if needed. The bank gives an interest of 4% to 6% on the money in the saving account. The customer gets facilities like passbook, checkbook, ATM card, mobile banking, SMS banking, internet banking, etc. To operate the account, we have to fill in certain printed slips to deposit the money in the account. To withdraw it, every bank has its own different forms, but the information to be given in it is the same. There is another kind of bank account called a current account. So money can be withdrawn from it any number of times, but one does not get any interest on the amount in this account. To get more interest, we have to keep a fixed amount in a bank for a longer period of time. So we can avail of facilities like the fixed deposit, means FD, or recurring deposit, that is RD. schemes for that purpose. Now we will see the calculation of interest. So first we will see what is an interest. So here, an account holder of a bank are the paid some amounts for keeping their money in the bank. On the other hand, people who borrow from a bank are charged an amount. The use of the money is loaned to them. Such amounts are called interest. Now we will see what is a principal. So the money deposit in the bank or the money lent by a bank to borrow is called the principal or principal amount we can say. When calculating interest on a deposit or a loan, the rate of interest is given for every 100 rupees. That rate of interest is for a given period of time. A rate of interest per cent per annum, written as PCPA, given the amount of interest due on every 100 rupees for a period of 1 year, that is annually. Now we will see what is a simple interest. The interest charged for 1 year. This is a simple interest. A simple interest is paid at the end of the specific time of period and is always a fixed amount that is borrowed has to pay. Now we will discuss practice set 35. Question number 1. At a rate of 10 PCPA, what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000? So at a rate of 10% and we have to find out the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000. So let's see solution. So here the principal amount, that is 6,000, rate of interest, that is 10% per annum. Let the interest on principal rupees 6,000 be rupees X. By taking the ratio of the interest to the principal for both, we obtain an equation into 10. So X upon 6,000, that is equal to 10 upon 100. So here first we will multiply both the sides by 6,000. So X upon 6,000 multiplied by 6,000, that is equal to 10 upon 100 multiplied by 6,000. So students, here you can see this is in division and this is in multiplication. So we can cancel this. So 6,000 and 6,000 we will cancel. So X, that is equal to 10 upon 100 multiplied by 6,000 upon 1. So here in denominator we have written 1 to balance this. So here 10 multiplied by 6,000 upon 100. So when you do the multiplication, you will get rupees 600. So the interest for 1 year is rupees 600. Question number 2. Mahesh deposited rupees 8,650 in a bank at a rate of 6% per annum. How much money will he get at the end of the year in all? So we have to find out how much money he will get at the end of the year. So let's find out. So here you can see the principal amount, that is rupees 8,650. Rate of interest, that is 6% per annum. Let the interest on the principal rupees 8,650 be rupees X. So taking the ratio of the interest to the principal for the both, we obtain an equation. So here x upon 8650, that is equal to 6 upon 100. So now here we will multiply both the sides by 8650. So x upon 8650 multiplied by 8650, that is equal to 6 upon 100 multiplied by 8650. So students, here you can see we will cancel this 8650. This is in division and this is in multiplication. So x, that is equal to 6 upon 100 multiplied by 8650 upon 1. So when you multiply this, you will get 6 into 8650 upon 100. So when you do this calculation, you will get rupees 519. So the amount received at the end of the years, that is principal amount plus interest. So principal amount, that is 8650 plus interest, that is 519. So that is 9116. So Mahesh will get rupees 9169 at the end of the year. Question number 3. Ahmad Chacha borrowed rupees 25,000 at 12% per annum for a year. What amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? So let's find out. So the principal amount, that is rupees 25,000, rate of interest, that is 12 PCPA. Let the interest on the principal rupees 25,000 be rupees X. So by taking the ratio of the interest to the principal for both, we obtain an equation, that is x upon 25,000, that is equal to 12 upon 100. So first we will multiply both the sides by 25,000. So x upon 25,000 multiplied by 25,000, that is equal to 12 upon 100 multiplied by 25,000. So here you can see that there's 25,000 and this 25,000 we will cancel. So x, that is equal to 12 upon 100 multiplied by 25,000 upon 1. So here, so that is 12 multiplied by 25,000 upon 100. So when you do this calculation, you will get rupees 3,000. So amount to be written to the bank at the end of the year, that is principal amount plus interest. So principal amount, that is 25,000 and interest of rupees 3,000. So 25,000 plus 3,000, you will get 28,000. So Ahmad Chacha has to return rupees 28,000 to the bank at the end of the year. Question number 4. Kisan Rao wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 from a bank at an interest rate of 6 PCPA. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? So let's find out. So here the principal amount, that is 35,250, rate of interest, that is 6 PCPA. Let an interest on the principal rupees 35,250 be rupees X. By taking the ratio of the interest to the principal for the both, we obtain an equation. So X upon 35,250, that is equal to 6 upon 100. First, we will multiply both the sides by 35,250. So we will get x upon 35,250 multiplied by 35,250, that is equal to 6 upon 100 multiplied by 35,250. So here you can see that this 35,250 and this we will cancel. So x, that is equal to 6 upon 100 multiplied by 35,250 upon 1. So when you calculate this, you will get, here you can see that 6 multiplied by 35,000 250 upon 100. So you have to do this calculation. So when you do that, you will get 2115. So Kisenda will have to pay an interest of rupees 2150 to the bank at the end of the year. So students, here we completed with chapter number 14, bank and simple interest. Thank you, dear students.